Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a pop art chihuahua. If you're new to my channel, please support me by liking this video and be sure to stick around and check out the other amazing art videos and art lessons on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art. And please subscribe. This project is inspired by the work of pop artist Romero Britto, and it's also inspired by my dog Chico. Romero Britto's artwork is considered a type of pop art because he depicts simple objects from everyday life in a highly stylized way using bold, bright colors. His work can also be considered cubist because his subjects are broken down using dividing lines, which create a multitude of different facets. To get started, I'm grabbing a piece of paper and using a pencil to lightly sketch a circle at the top of my paper. Be sure to leave room above the circle for some large ears. My pencil marks will get darker in just a second. Initially, I'm using very light pencil marks so that I can easily erase any mistakes. Beneath the head, I'm drawing a long oval for the body. 2 straight lines will become the front legs. Drawing a circle here for the haunches of the leg and a long oval shape for the back foot. I'm adding an oval here for the muzzle and refining the shape of the head. I'm adding some darker lines for the ears. Inside the muzzle, I'm drawing a nose and a mouth and some nostrils. I'm drawing a curved line to delineate the muzzle and brow line, and adding a little eyebrow mark. These 2 large ovals will become the eyes. These tinier circles inside the eyes are called the shiny whiteys. Then adding another line under the eye and brow line, and another eyebrow. I'm using a slightly curved line for the neck. I'm going back and using a darker line to outline the shape of the body. You might want to add a scarf, collar, or necklace around the neck. I'm drawing a scarf. And now drawing the chest, front left leg, belly, and right hind leg. Be sure to go back and erase any extra pencil marks that you no longer need. I'm just going back and making some of my lines a bit darker. I'm also refining the shape of the eyes and adding the round pupil inside the eye. Once you're done drawing the Chihuahua, you're ready to add other details to your picture to make it look more like cubist pop art. I'm drawing a horizon line behind the Chihuahua, but in typical Romero Britto fashion, I'm intersecting this line with the right front leg. Now adding a slightly slanting vertical line and a diagonal line that intersects with the ear. I'm adding a couple more dividing lines inside the body. I'm going to start decorating the background with hearts and stars. To draw a star, I first draw a 5-point star. Next, I outline around the edge of the star. Then I erase the pencil marks inside the star. I'm going to create a diagonal pattern inside this facet on the left. A ruler works great for this. I'm adding a circle pattern over here on the right. I'm done drawing, so I'm ready to add color. When I color in a given facet, I first like to outline around the edge of the facet. This helps me to stay inside the lines when I go back and color it in. You can use whatever colors you like to fill in your drawing. If you use a variety of bright and contrasting colors, it will look more like a Romero Britto painting. I'm using alcohol-based markers, but you could also use Crayola markers, colored pencils, or even paint to color in your picture. When you color in the pupils, be sure to leave the shiny whiteys white. Before I use a marker, I like to test out the color on a scratch paper just to be sure that I like the color I'm about to use. After testing several shades of brown, I ended up choosing a color called E59 for the nose. I decided to use mostly natural colors on the body of the Chihuahua so that it would look more like my dog Chico. I made a mistake and let some of the brown ink bleed right here. I'm going to fix it by drawing a heart, cutting it out, then gluing it right on top of my mistake. When you are all done coloring in your picture, take a black marker and outline all of the parts of your drawing. This will make your picture really pop out and look amazing. I hope you love how your pop art Chihuahua turns out. Be sure to say hi in the comments below and check out all the other amazing art tutorials and art lessons on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.